Hey everyone, Heidi Cooper here, functional medicine practitioner, licensed esthetician from SkinSide Out. Today I want to share with you 3 reasons to stay away from facial wipes. You know, those makeup removing wipes that have become so popular because we are a culture of convenience and people are trying to find shortcuts to washing their face, especially in the evening. And so I want to share with you why you don't want to use those and maybe a better alternative to that. So number 1 on the list is these makeup wipes have some pretty yucky ingredients that you do not want on the skin. Even the natural ones or the cleaner products a lot of times will have acids that can really be destructive to the skin and can be really damaging. And so that brings us to the number 2 reason that you wouldn't want to use these is some of these ingredients will disturb the hydrolipidic film or that protective barrier on the skin. You guys have heard me talk about that before, and you can really create a lot of damage by removing that barrier that should be there on the skin. Even after we've cleansed the skin, we want that to remain intact. So that's number 2. And then number 3 is these wipes, they don't really get the skin clean. I know people kind of feel like, you know, doing a quick wipe with these products will do a cleansing on the skin, but they really don't do a great job of even removing makeup or any of what might be on the surface of the skin to do a deeper cleansing or a good cleansing. So something that I will recommend to my clients in place of these wipes. Now, keep in mind, this is only on a skin with very little to no makeup at all on the skin. Would I recommend this? Because if you've got any sort of makeup on the skin at all, you definitely want to make sure that you're doing a full cleansing, sometimes even a double cleansing on the skin. One thing that I recommend to do a little deeper cleansing a lot of times is to allow your cleanser to sit on your skin for a few minutes, say while you're even brushing your teeth. Then remove your cleanser, and if you've got quite a bit of makeup on, then you'll want to do a second cleansing. Now, something I'm always striving towards is getting your skin in such great shape that you don't feel like you need to be doing a whole lot of makeup in the first place. So if you have very little makeup, like say a CC cream or no makeup on the skin at all, then you can do this. So one thing that I'll recommend is working with something like the Rose Visage from Fidamir, which is a toning cleansing lotion. It's a dual purpose, so it's something that can be used as a cleanser and a toner. It's kind of an all-in-one. And you can use it on some cotton pads. So maybe if you're even on the go, you could dampen some of these cotton pads and put it in a little baggie and take that with you. Or if you're at home, you could just do dampen your cotton pad with some of the Rose Visage and do a quick wipe throughout the face, and that will restore the pH, not disturb the hydrolipidic film, and do a nice cleansing on the skin. So that's a great alternative to some of those wipes that are very destructive and have some pretty harsh ingredients in them. So hope that was some helpful information for you. I know those wipes have become super popular, but I just really wanted to explain some of the pitfalls of using some of those. So health and happiness. Have a super fantastic day. If this information was helpful for you, please like and share this post. Health and happiness. Thanks so much.